Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Gents. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the LPBC NFT. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So do your own research before investing. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright, so this is the website of LPBC. You can access it by going to lpbc.io. You can click over here to join their Discord program. As per the website, it is one of the original hybrid utility NFT. Redefine ownership through NFTs. These non-fungible tokens are digital assets, and owning an LPBC NFT grants you access to the Garage DAO. DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Investments made from LPBC fund the Garage DAO. Those funds belong 100% to the DAO, giving holders the right to vote on the usage of the funds. Holders can also apply to fund their own projects by pitching the community and gathering sponsors. The Garage DAO is set to own a percentage of a restaurant in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a joint partnership with restaurateurs that have 20+ years of experience. This venture will become legendary. Take part in the revolution, join like-minded thinkers in the #garage. If you want to click their Discord page, just click over here and you can stay updated with the project, enter your username and stay tuned with them. They also have some really exciting updates coming on. So first thing is that they're really happy to announce first proposal to the community, and this proposal does provide a passive income opportunity for all the LPBC holders, and we have been able to broker a deal with some culinary industry experts to create the first hybrid NFT based restaurant in Las Vegas, Nevada. A PDF underneath this message provides details on their vision, their needs, and the benefits this will provide for the NFT holders. Basically, this NFT based restaurant in Las Vegas can also build their community and move the Solana forward. Las Vegas is a tourist city with many attractions. The potential partners are highly experienced. All of the information can be Googled and seen on the PDF. Accepting Sol as payment at the restaurant is highly likely. The Phantom app will be released in the next coming months as well. This is something we would like to test, and our potential partners are on board. LPBC NFT art will be featured at the restaurant, and we will have onboarding opportunities at the location. Some of the benefits for the holders is that the DAO will own 39% of the restaurant for a $100,000 contribution in the form of a loan that will be paid back to the DAO no later than 2 years from contract signing. After the loan is paid back to LPBC DAO, we will keep reduced ownership set at 20% for the entirety of the business, and all holders will receive 50% off food and liquor for life. They project the annual revenue for this new location is 6 figures to 7 figures annually. They have done this several times. Their last operation was in business for 7 years, making over $1 million in revenue for several years. Also, buying LPBC NFT from secondary market will fund donations to charitable organizations such as Make-A-Wish Foundation. 40% of secondary market royalties go to charity. 20% is always designated for Make-A-Wish Foundation, as we believe in their cause. The LPBC has been honored to be one of the most exclusive 25 community partners in honor of their 25 years of celebrating wishes. In the December of 2021, they had a conversation with their lawyers, and they have decided to inform the community of the steps they are taking to ensure the future of the project and community is protected. So minting and purchasing of the secondary market on LPBC NFT is not tied in any connection to the expectation of ROI or exchange for anything of value. The Garage loves the idea of launching a restaurant with the funds accumulated from their mint in January of 2022, along with the creation of project funding wallet and vault. As a community, you are a part of one-of-a-kind project, and they will not let you down. This is a history in making, and step into the future that lies ahead through innovation and art. The DAO will have a business license that they can use to attach to a restaurant contract, more like LPBC LLC. The LPBC DAO will be funded without any need for future collectibles. Voting on the usage of the funds granted to holders. The possibilities include donations, marketing, metaverse entry, giveaways, more restaurant locations inside and outside of Las Vegas, and they can take this project as far as they want with our input as well. So that's really cool. They have a lot of exciting stuff coming for this project.
project. So I'm really excited to see how all of this turns out to be. I think one of the really cool thing is the fact that the Solana minting has happened, so we can actually use credit card and debit card powered by cross minting to pay for the transactions. Also, the fractional ownership of the restaurant in Las Vegas is pretty cool, and it's actually trying to replicate the metaverse and how it works. Also, the approved secondary market is Solana art, which is also really promising as well. This is a great opportunity for everybody out there, because not only will their DAO be generating legal income for years to come, but the art will be on display as well. What do you think will happen when patrons ask about their art? They will hear the benefits of owning an LPBC NFT, meaning there will always be interest in the purchase of their collection of secondary market. The LPBC DAO will vote on the usage of funds in addition to 50% off on food and liquor when they get their 100k back. It is also quite scalable and also a press-worthy opportunity. Alessandra Madero is the chef behind this project, and she's ready to build it with her new partners. So this is the proposal of Azura and LPBC collaboration, where Azura by Chef Alice provides Las Vegas a taste of nostalgia. They'll be featuring classic Italian dishes at the new location. A little bit about their restaurant that they are planning to launch. So the new facility would come with a bar built up, employees and management staff. They would assume a loan and investment of 150k and startup expense of 130k, and this loan would be paid in 24 months unless otherwise negotiated with potential investors. A starting bank account of $20,000 will be used only if needed for unexpected cost. All of these items would be included in the startup equipment, and here is just a balance sheet explaining the different costs and liabilities that would be held by the restaurant. The Zura menu offers 8 pasta varieties and 10 specialty entrees, including veal, seafood, chicken, steak, along with an assortment of appetizers, salads and side dishes. With this casual fine dining menu, they will offer a full array of beer, wine, with room to grow into a full service restaurant with a liquor license within 2 years. The LPBC DAO will own 39% of the business in exchange for 100k contribution in the form of a loan. The loan is to be paid in full no later than 2 years after the contract is signed. Once the initial contribution is paid in full, the LPBC DAO will have reduced ownership set at 20% for the entirety of the business venture. Once the loan is recouped by the LPBC DAO, LPBC holders will receive 50% off food and liquor for life. LPBC art will be featured in the restaurant. Benefits of purchasing the NFT off secondary market will be explained to the patrons. Onboarding office at location, passive income and ownership for all holders, and they have a hub for IRL meetups as well. And this is their Twitter page. Currently it has a following of 10.3k members, so that is pretty promising as well. So I'm really excited to see how this entire project, where they kind of want to collaborate with the restaurant and the world of NFT, come together. It would be very futuristic for sure, and I'm really excited to see how everything turns out. Considering that we are going to be using cryptocurrencies a lot in future, I am pretty sure that this would be one of the most promising projects out there. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.